Camden.
I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Caroline. And we're all sophomores on the varsity lacrosse team, and come with us for a week in lacrosse. Yay!
Hey, vlog!
Hi! So we're currently doing media day right now for our game day pictures. So we have some of that stuff going on. Yeah, our cute, they're juniors.
Hey vlog.
Anyone want to say hi? Hi the vlog. Hey.
Do the ball. Not today.
Camden, how do you think practice is going?
Really good.
Elizabeth?
It's going amazing.
Cece, what do you think?
It's so good.
Me? Great!
Foxcroft on 3! 1, 2, 3, Foxcroft! Hey guys, it's game day!
Right now we're in the locker room and we're just getting vibes high. Yeah! Mimi, are you excited to play today? Yeah!
This is for hockey. The field's a stage, your stick, the script, each move a verse, each goal a gift. Run like the wind, let your spirit soar, defenders tremble, they can't ignore. With every pass, a story told, and every shot, your courage bold. So rise, Tati, let your game ignite, and lead your team to victory's light.
Caitlin, are you excited to play today? Yeah. Sophie, are you excited to play today? Yes! Yay!
Nice lift! Nice shot!
Yeah, good luck. And go, and go. Go! Go, and go!
Hey, work it around!
Okay, so we just finished the game and we sadly lost, but it was a very close game.
And we have so much to come for the rest of the season, so thank you for spending the week with us!
Thank you, bye!